What's the meaning of boxwood? Boxwood. Boxwood.
Boxwood. Boxwood. Boxwood refers to a type of evergreen shrub or small tree that belongs to the Boxaceae family. The plant is known for its dense, hardwood and small, glossy leaves that are often used in formal gardens for hedging and topiary work. Boxwood has been cultivated for centuries and is native to both Europe and Asia. In addition to its use in gardening, boxwood is also used in wood carving, musical instruments, and as a source of medicinal compounds. Due to its slow growth and longevity, boxwood is considered a symbol of patience, endurance, and endurance.